Hello friends, as a New Year gift I am providing a small giveaway. First prize is a Bluetooth speaker, second prize is a small decorative light and also third prize. For participating in this giveaway, you just want to watch this video and comment your opinions, suggestions, doubts, anything you can comment. You want to comment, then only you can participate in this giveaway. Please subscribe my channel if you have not done it till now. I am doing this video by getting motivated by a video that is uploaded to a Malayalam channel, that is M4 Tech, hosted by GeoBro, and that video is about firing a cracker using a remote. And I am just extending that project. I am using my own custom Android app and mobile phone for controlling that cracker, any cracker or fireworks, anything. And I will not recommend or motivate any of my viewers to perform this at your home or any other places, because this is extremely dangerous thing. That is this is a thing that is to be done in, we can say, like clinical precision, that even a slight change in or instability in your power source may lead to even serious injuries, impairment or even death. So I will not recommend anyone to do this. First of all guys, we are going to see how to make your own custom app using App Inventor. I had already made a video about that, but today I am repeating it for our purpose. Just Google MIT App Inventor. On the first link you can see it's appinventor.mit.edu. Just click on the first link, click on create apps. Okay, now you want to log in. I have already logged in, so I am just selecting my account. Here you can see two projects, that is automation and LED. I had done it earlier. Okay, automation project have just started automatically, no issues. Just click on project and start new project. Okay, now we want to give a project name. I am just giving crack. Okay, now a new screen is prepared for us. Here we want to place our components. Okay, first of all we want to select a layout. Just go down, click on layout and horizontal arrangement. Yeah, just click and drag it to the screen. Go to width and fill parent. Now you can see, yeah, that horizontal arrangement have filled in that width. Okay, now you can change your background color of the app to any color. I am choosing black color, so just click on screen, and on the right side you can see background color. Click on that and select your desired color. Here I am choosing black. Now we want to place two buttons, that is fire button and off button. From the left side you can see user interface. From there you can get the button and click on the button, left click on the button and drag it to our layout. Now we need another button. Okay, now you want to fit the buttons to the screen. Click on the first button and on the right side you can see width and click there, fill parent. Click OK. You can see it's fit there. On second button click there and right side width and fill parent. Okay, and you can see both of the buttons are well fit to that screen. Okay, now I want to change the color of the buttons. Okay, I am clicking on the first button and on the right side you can see background color. Click on that and select your desired color. Here I am choosing green color. Okay, now on the second button, right side background color and choose your desired color, and here I am giving red color, that is off button. Now we want to change the text on the buttons. Click on the button where we want to change the text, and on the right side you can see text. Scroll down there and read the existing text, that is text for button 1, and give your desired text. I am just giving fire, and do the same for the second button, that is off button, and text, rename the text to off. Yeah, now it's looking cool. Now we want to provide a text field for providing the IP address of the Node MCU module. For that we want to select another arrangement, that is I am giving horizontal arrangement. Also we want to give a label there. Okay, now I'm adjusting the width of the horizontal arrangement. Okay, width and fill parent. Yeah, and on the height I want to decrease the height. Just select height and 50 pixels. Okay, now we need a label. On the left side you can see label. Just click on it and drag it to our arrangement, horizontal arrangement. Okay, now we want to change the text of the label. Just click on the label, and on the right side you can see text. Scroll down it and change the text. I'm giving here an IP address. You can see the text here change here. Okay, now we need a text box. On left side, click on the text box and drag it to our horizontal arrangement. Okay, now you want to well arrange that text box. Just click on that text box, and on the right side, width and fill parent. Okay. Okay, now I am going to rename the button names. Just click on the button, and on the right side you can see rename. Click on the rename. Yeah, you can see old name and new name. Give your new name. I'm just giving fire. Okay, yeah, click on OK. And same on the second button, that is off. And this renaming process is not necessary, but I am doing this because you can understand it more quickly. Okay, now we can move to our coding section. Actually, we don't want to code anything here. Everything is written here. We just want to drag and drop our desired components, and everything is written in the form of blocks. So we can make awesome apps using this method according to our logic. Okay, click on the blocks on the right side, on the top right. Yeah, here we want to program. Yeah, now on the left side you can see all the components that we have placed on our screen. That is screen 1, horizontal arrangement, fire, off, horizontal arrangement, label 1 and text box 1. Okay, now click on the first button, that is fire. Okay, there you can see when fire, click, then do. Okay, then just click and drag it to our viewer. Yeah. Okay, here we want to provide what it should do when we click that button. Before that, we want to give web library. Just go to designer, and on the left side you can see connectivity and web. Just click it and drag it to our screen. Okay, on the bottom side you can see non-visible components web 1. Okay, it's there. Now go back to blocks. Okay, from the left side you can see web is added, web 1. Click on it. Here we want to select set web URL to. Yeah, now click on it and drag it to do. Okay, when fire clicks, then do this set web URL to something. Okay, here our logic is based on a text that is appended on the end of the URL, that is fire or off. If the fire is encountered, then the cracker will get fired. That means our relay will be turned on and the cracker will get fired. Else if it is off, then our relay module will be turned off. So at the Node MCU side, we will write code for trimming the last part of the URL, that is off or fire, and based on that a function is triggered, that is off or fire. If it is fire, then inside the fire function we write the code for making the relay turn on, and if it is off, then we will write a code for making the relay turn off. Now go to text and scroll there. Join. We want to join 2 or 3 texts here, that is HTTP, our URL, and also we want to append 2 strings, that is either 2 strings, that is fire or off. Okay, now click on join and duplicate it. Now fix it on the other side. Now go to text and select a free text, and join to join. Okay, now go to text box 1 and select textbox1.text. Drag to join, that is http:// our URL / our string, it is off or fire. Okay, now I am duplicating the above taken MD string box and I am appending it to the join. Now go to web1 on the left side and select call web1.get. This function will perform HTTP GET request using the URL. Okay, now we can fill the MD text box with http://. Okay, then textbox1.text, and at last we want to give, here we are using fire, so /fire. Okay, now we want to code for the off button. For that we need exactly the same copy of the first button, and except that last one slash fire, instead of there we want to give slash off. Click on the block and select duplicate. Yeah, we got exact copy of that block itself. Then place it somewhere on the screen. Okay, now change the name of the button. When fire want change to off. Yeah, when off dot click. Then do this. And at last, instead of slash fire we want to give slash off. Okay, now we have made a basic app. You can change it according to your desire. Okay, now we want to download our app as a .apk file. You can choose either two methods, either using QR code method, or you can directly save it to your computer and copy it to your mobile phone and install it. I'm just giving save.apk to my computer. Now it's compiling part 2. Please wait. Okay. Yeah, now it's 100%. The APK file will be saved in the download folder. You can see on the left bottom that crack.apk is downloading. We had given the file name as crack at beginning. I hope you remember. Downloading is complete. Now we can copy it to a mobile phone and run it. You can make any changes according to your logic. Yeah, now we can move to our Node MCU coding. Here I am using Arduino IDE for coding Node MCU. Yeah, at beginning we want to call our libraries. We need a Wi-Fi client and also Wi-Fi server. Server of 80 means we want to listen to that port 80. Okay, for installing it, just go to tools and manage libraries. Okay, now just type the ESP8266, that is our Node MCU module. Yeah, there you can see Arduino Uno Wi-Fi development ED library. You want to just install it. I have already installed it. You can see there it's written install. Below that we want to declare our variables. Okay, we want to declare our SSID and password of our mobile phone or any other devices. Here I am using my mobile phone and SSID is NSAP and password is given there. Okay, now we want to declare a variable data of string type. We initialize it with empty strings, that is double quotes. There we want to place our string, that is fire or off. Now we want to declare the relay pin. Relay is connected to GPIO pin 4 of Node MCU. When it comes to Arduino, it will be 13th pin, where it have a built-in LED. Okay, now we can move to our setup part. Here we want to write the code that is to be run once. Okay, we want to set the relay pin, that is cracker. We have already declared it. Here we want to initialize it as output pin. Pin mode cracker comma output. Next is server.begin. There's a server to begin listening for incoming connections. Next is the low part where we want to give the code that is to be run iteratively. Declare client equal to server.available. That server.available function will get a client that is connected to the server and has data available for ready. Then if no client is available, then return. Okay, here we want to get the data for our variable data. We had appended it on the URL while building the Android app. Here the check client function is defined at the bottom of our program. We can check it. While no client is available, then delay. Next is client.read string until /r. This will read the message from the client and store it in the request variable request of string type. Now request.remove 0, 5. 0 is the index and 5 is the number of count we want to delete. Then request.remove request.length -9, 9. These are done for trimming the URL. We only need the last part of the URL, that is fire or off. We need it and need it to store it on the variable data. We had already declared it, and data is equal to check client. At that time the control moves to our function check client, and at last the return request. Okay, return that request, and that request contains either off or fire. Return to the data variable. I mean variable data, check client. Yeah, then from there we can start. If data equal to fire, then go to function fire. At the fire we can see, yeah, digital write cracker comma low. We return here a low because our relay is a active low component, so we want to give low for making the relay active. And go back, else if data equal to off, then off of I can't return right here off because it is a keyword. So yeah, I come to off and void of I and digital write cracker comma high. Here I made it high because our relay is active lock component. It will be in off condition if we give high. Next is else if data equal to timer, then go to timer function. I had already told you I had added timer button there, and when we click that timer button we can see that function void timer, then delay of 9000 means 9000 milliseconds, that means 9 seconds. Yeah, after that, after the delay, a digital write cracker comma low, that means our relay will be turned on. Yeah guys, you had done it. That's all about our Node MCU programming. Now we can move to our circuit designing. That is to fire a cracker. 4 components you need for this project. First of all, Node MCU module. And second is, yes, it's nichrome wire. This is very thin as our hair strand. I brought it from Amazon. But I think I recommend you to buy some more thicker nichrome wire. The specialty of this wire is that it will get red hot when we supply power to it. The more the voltage and the current, you will get effective result. And yes, battery, here I am using 4 volt 2 ampere battery, but more the volt you use, more the result you will get. And also a 5 volt single channel relay module and a small breadboard. You can see it here. Yeah, and some jumbo wires for the connection and 2 long wires. No gauge, you can use any. Yeah, this is so this lengthy wire is used, so you can add a matchstick or a cracker at the end, so it will not damage your board or battery. And yes, some matchsticks. First of all, we will check it with matchstick, and after we will go to cracker, and also 2 crocodile clips which I can connect to battery, and using this female jack and a male port I can connect it to Node MCU and also relay and all. Let's check the connections, how to connect this all. Okay guys, first of all we want to stack our Node MCU to breadboard. Okay, I only need this side which contains D4. Here is D4. We want to connect our relay to this pin, 3 volt and any ground. Okay, we only need these pins for this project, so I am stacking it over a small breadboard. Yes guys, you can see we have done it, and we want to connect our relay. Yep, this now we are going to connect to relay. First of all, I am connecting VCC is to connect it to 3 volt. You can see it here. VCC to 3 volt. Yeah, and ground to any ground of Node MCU. Ground to ground. You can see it here. Ground, and at last that is a data pin to D4. In Arduino it is 13th pin. We will have a built-in LED there, and also in Node MCU here is a built-in LED. It is connected to D4. Okay, now we want to connect the load to our relay. Here our load is matchstick. Okay, this is not a load, but we consider this as our load. I mean our nichrome wire. This is our nichrome wire. We want to connect it to our relay. I'm taking some long wire for it. One side is connected to First pin, it is normally open. Now connect it. On the center pin, we want to provide our power supply. Here our power supply is 4-volt battery. Here I am just connecting a wire there. Okay guys, I have just connected a wire there and I want to give it to positive of our battery. Just wait, and before that we want to take a ground for completing the connection. I'm just giving it to ground of here. Another side of ground. You can take any ground. Yes, guys. Okay guys, now we can connect it. I am taking a female jack connected to a DC jack, connecting it to our battery. Yes, positive and negative. Okay, done it. Now I am connecting it to our board. Okay, positive to any 3-volt and negative to ground. So we have connected our battery to our Node MCU and relay. You can see all the connections are set, and I have already written the program, so the relay is turned on. We can connect our mobile phone. Yes guys, you can see here crack.apk. I had changed the icon. I have already told you you can make changes according to your logic. I'm just opening it. Do you want to install this application? Installed. Yeah, app installed. I'm just opening it. Yeah, I have already added another option, that is a timer option. When I click this button, after 9 seconds the relay will turn on and the cracker will get fired. Okay, you can add anything according to your logic. Okay, you can see here 2 buttons, fire, off, and then IP address field. There you want to give your Node MCU's IP address. Okay guys, I have already uploaded our code to Node MCU. Now we can check it. This is our app. We want to enter the IP address of Node MCU here. For checking it, turn on our hotspot. Just turning on. Yeah, we can see here if any device is connected. No device is connected till now. Yeah, one connected device. We can check it here. Connected device manager. This is our device. Okay, I want to enter the IP address here. 192.168.43.22. Okay, now we can check it. Yeah, you can see our relay turned off. Oh, I have accidentally touched this button. This is 9-second delay. We can check it. After 9 seconds, this relay will turn on. Yeah, you can see here it's turned on. You can turn it off. Turn on, off, on, off, on. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Now we can test it lively. Off. Some message is showing. We don't want to care it. Okay. Also, for completing the circuit, we want to connect this wire. This is the power for load, and this we want to connect it to positive of our battery. You can just loop it here. Okay. Now everything is set. You can connect these two wires to nichrome wire. You have it here. Yes guys, we have done it. We can turn on our relay.
Okay guys, now we are going to test it live using some Bijili crackers. We are testing with this Bijili crackers. Let's go.
I can see our Node MCU turned on and also the relay.
We have all the setup done for firing this matchstick. You can see here. When I click this fire button, this matchstick will get fired. You can see here. You can see it. Okay, done. Now we can set up it for firing the cracker. Suraj പൊട്ടിച്ചു. തോനെ ഉണ്ടോ അതിനകത്ത്? Okay. Sit here. Okay. Yeah, now our module is off. Yep. Now we can set it. Suraj, the pidicho. Set here. Camera. Keep it sit here. Okay, yeah, first we want to set matchstick. നേരെ വിളിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചിലപ്പോഴേ പണി പാടും. നേരിട്ട് പടക്കം വെക്കാമോ? നമുക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് അടിച്ച് നോക്കിയാലോ? നേരിട്ട് പടക്കം വെച്ച് നോക്കിയാലോ? Guys, it is very dangerous, guys. Now we need a specs for protecting our eyes. Okay, guys. Muhammad, and glass again. Yes.
Safety first.
Yes, guys. Suraj, please move. Fire. Suraj, please move. Yes, guys. Suraj, അത് കുറച്ചും ബാക്കോട്ട് ആകായിരുന്നു. Suraj. Yes, guys. Now we are going to fire it. Yes, guys, we had done it, guys. My MCU, my Node MCU module. Holy shit! I think there is no damage. This is not an highly exploding cracker, so there is no damage to my battery and modules. Please don't try it with any exploding crackers like Gundu, Lakshmi Gundada. But please don't try it, okay? Now we are using this timer. Okay, I have given 9 seconds. If I click here, after 9 seconds, that cracker will get fired, okay? Yeah. Clicking on it, I just clicked on it. You can see. Yeah. Now I think it is getting fired, I think so. Something had happened. So it's something fishy.
Yes.
Oh, holy shit. Oh. Yeah. This time also no damage to our Node MCU module and also relay and battery. For Suraj. Yeah. Not firing, man. Yeah, guys, it's start. Yep. Turn for Muhammad. Yeah, both are my students. Muhammad, click on fire. You see the relay turned on. What happened to our cracker? Yeah, guys. Yeah. Muhammad, you have done it. Now I am using this timer. I had set 9 seconds. When I click this timer, after 9 seconds, our cracker will get fired. Okay, now we can check it. Yeah, I have
triggered it. Now we can wait for our relay. Yeah. So that's this. Stay apart. Yeah, it's smoking, guys. Yeah, guys. Guys, I am just firing it. Okay, guys, here is our all setup. Now I am moving far apart and controlling it using this mobile phone, means our app. Okay, I think, yeah, come on. Moving here. Yeah, there is our setup. I'm just firing it. Okay, and I think you can see a small blue light there. Yeah, system is triggered. Yeah. Okay, done. Guys, all done. Now our storage is going far apart. Yeah, he's moving on. Yeah. Storage. Yeah, here is our app. You can just fire. Yeah, you can see I think you can see a blue spot there, blue light. I can spot it. Yeah, our cracker is, yeah, done. Okay, guys, now we are going to fire a flower pot cracker. It is also called matapu or korapu locally here. You can see it. Okay, now we are going to fire it. Yeah, you can see it there. Just fired it. Nothing had happened.
Smoking.
Nothing happened, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, holy shit. Oh, Suraj. Oh, shit. Yeah, our board is working till now. No issues till now. Yep. Yeah. He's playing with it. On ചെയ്ത Suraj? Off ചെയ്തേ? On. Off. Yeah, it's working. And our lead acid battery also working fine. No issues. And thank you, Suraj.